Hi guys, MroCheck here. Welcome to the next episode, and this one's gonna be a bit different. I was thinking about this channel, and I figured out that jumped straight to the videos. I jumped straight to showing you adventures and stuff. But actually, I haven't said hello, like proper hello. I'm Paweł MroCheck. That's Polish name and surname, so you can call me Paul, Pablo, whatever is the equivalent of this name in your native language. And my surname is exactly MroCheck, the same as channel's name, but it's spelled a bit differently in Polish. But I really like this variation, so it became a channel name, and I hope one day it will become a nice brand. I'm doing this bushcrafty camping hiking stuff for almost 5 years now. I think it will be 5 years this December. My thing is mostly about walking around. I really enjoy it. I do like to take a really heavy backpack, like 15-20 kilograms, and take a walk and really have a nice spot, camp there, pack it, and then move to the other place. But also, I don't like to give away my comfort where it's not needed. Right now, in my private piece of land, where I can really take my car close to the campsite and I'm not doing any walking, I'm bringing tons of stuff. Some of it is just for my comfort, like this enormous chair and a table. This piece of land we're gonna be on today, it's owned by my family, and that allows me to do a bit more stuff. The projects, first project will be a birdhouse or bird feeder, or both, depends how much time it will take to make one. Then the second bigger project will be a Tipi for my dog. I hope it will be quick, because that should be quick. I looked up some inspiration in one of the 1900s book, and it looks great. I want to reproduce it for the small scale, and yeah, I'm excited about it because she really deserves her own shelter. I really like to take her out always with me, at least wherever I can. It's not always possible because we are traveling across the whole country, or doing kayaking or stuff, but whenever I'm doing some hikes nearby, she's always with me. She's great. She can carry her backpack, so basically it doesn't add me any weight to take her out with me. She takes her cans of meat or some just raw meat for 2 days, so she can carry some water and her own bed. So that's amazing. And I usually make her bed under my tarp. But this week, one of the projects is to make her like a Tipi style shelter made out of trash bags. So I hope she likes it. Hmm? So we will start those projects as many others. We'll start with gathering some sticks. I'm lucky because we were cutting down some trees recently in this forest, and those are the branches that were left over. Doghouse is gonna be made out of those sticks. I'm gonna take only those about a thumb in diameter. Another step is to make a board. I have those pieces of wood, quite a big one, and I will split it. So out of this log I have 6.5 boards. Some of them will still need some cleaning. So I will take the biggest one to make a birdhouse, because my bird's gonna need like 10 by 15. See, okay, 10 by 15. I need to take the sides a bit, I need to take the end a bit. That will make the base for my log house. After processing with saw and axe, we have board like that. And I will use the curve that it has to build a log house on top of it. So I'm then mitigating the chance that anything gets into the nest of the bird. So I have my board. I've nailed down with those small things to the board. I did it with an axe, so one going this way, second one going this direction, same on both ends, because I wanted to hold everything down. And then I'm gonna carve those pre-made sticks out to lay perfectly on the previous one and nail down from the top. It's 4:30 almost, so we have barely any sunlight left. That's why it's perfect time to show you one thing. I wanted to make a Tipi survival shelter for my dog, so I will take down a few saplings out of those hazels and see you in the camp. Okay, so here's the plan. You'll see the graph somewhere here. We're gonna make a smaller version of this Tipi, exactly the same way. We're gonna stick sticks to the ground in a circle, and then I'm gonna take the ends and tie them down together. So what I got here is a huge trash bag. It's for concrete or something. It's the biggest one I could get at the store. It's nice and cozy. How is it? Do you like it? Podoba ci się? Tak? Yeah. Good girl. It starts to look like a log house. I need to build still a few more floors and then make a roof, which is gonna be the biggest challenge. So wish me luck. So I've spent some time and I have a frame ready, and now I'm preparing the roof tiles. See you in the morning. So for the roof, I used the tiles I made. I just had to split them still in two to make them thinner. I'll still seal the sides. What's also interesting, I added some oil on top of the tiles to make them a bit more waterproof. It's nothing fancy, just some food oil. So I want my birdhouse to be placed somewhere on this pine tree. I need to somehow get there, huh? And have a comfortable place to work. So it's done. Log cabin style birdhouse. It's on the tree. Now we need to wait. Technically, it's a bit late for putting a birdhouse, but on the other hand, you can always put them on the trees because they don't need to be like a nest for having eggs and stuff. Just it can be just a shelter during the colder months, and if I'm lucky, some birds will find it attractive and stay there. And it's just perfectly on the tree that I can see sitting in my armchair in the camp.